we analyzed A/B test results, and we wanted to know what happens with average uplifts when we see experiments where we worked on the templates and we reduced barriers, improved usability. We had a certain uplift. But when we worked on the motivation of people, when we wanted to raise their motivation, we had a 5 times higher uplift. And why is it like that? Of course, first of all, because optimizers who work on the motivation actually thought about the motivation of their users. And I think this is much more powerful than just looking at a template. And second, as you can see here, this is why this knob is turned down a lot. The potential is much higher. And I have to differentiate between the different levels where you can work on. First question from a user's perspective is, am I able to buy something here? But more important is a level of motivation. Do I want to buy it here or not? So we work a lot with persuasion and persuasive techniques to persuade people into buying. So this is also where motivation starts. But the most powerful thing is if people have like the force no, not the force, they feel like they feel like the force, they have to buy something. So neuromarketing has a lot to do with customer experience and with ROI, with overall ROI of companies.